Handmade bracelet. Hello friends, accessories to suit your lifestyle. Pick Stitch brings you an elegant and simple pattern for bracelet. Requirement: choose your yarn and beads to match your outfit, shuttle and a scissor. You can see the simple pattern uh, made of chain and beads. The beads are already added on yarn. We'll start with making a small ring which we can attach to bracelet hook. 3 double stitch, 1 picot and 3 double stitch. Pull yarn to complete ring. Now we'll make chain and we'll start adding beads to our work. See in video how to wrap yarn with beads on your left hand finger. One double stitch, one picot, one double stitch, now first half of double stitch, and then we will move bead towards our work, and we'll now complete it by adding the bead with the remaining part of double stitch. Again we'll repeat this, one double stitch and we'll add one bead to it. Likewise we'll be adding 7 beads to our work. If you want to learn basics of tatting, you can go back to earlier videos to see how to make simple laces, flowers. Five beads we have added till now. Now this is 6th bead. Again one double stitch. And we'll add we have completed it by adding 7 beads. Now we'll make one double stitch, and one picot at the end of work, followed by one double stitch. Now see how you have to reverse the side of your work, and you have to make a reverse chain. Now you have to change the direction of chain. Again one double stitch, add bead, one double stitch, add second bead, one double stitch, add third bead, after adding 3 beads we'll join it to the picot we made in the beginning of the chain. In this way we have joined it to the picot. Now we'll add remaining 4 beads. One double stitch, add bead, second chain is complete after adding 7th bead. One double stitch, one picot, one double stitch, we'll continue in this way to match the desired length. At the end of bracelet we'll make another ring, small ring, with 3 double stitch, 1 picot and 3 double stitch as we made earlier, to add hook to your bracelet. See how it looks. In this way you had to continue making chain to complete the bracelet. Another simple but elegant pattern for you. Pattern and abbreviation for reference. Do not forget to hit bell icon to subscribe channel. Happy tatting.